All right. Couch is gone. Coffee table is gone. Side tables are gone. So I can place my 60-inch table on here to make my daughter a life-size cake table where I'm going to place her actual cake. I'm surprising her. Hopefully she won't get up. She's sleeping right now, but she might see it before. Hopefully not though. To cover up the bottom of the table all around, I'm going to be using a seamless paper backdrop in the color beige, ivory, cream. I cannot remember. I will have it on the screen for you guys. So this is my base, and I'm going to use double-sided tape to secure it. I started getting hot flashes the other day. Not fun. How did I even get here? I mean, I was just like 25 the other day. You just creeped up on me. You really did. I guess because my daughter is as old as I was when I had her now. It's a blessing to age, so I'm just gonna take it as a blessing. It is what it is. ¿Qué se va a hacer, verdad? Así es la vida. This should be a quick tutorial. I don't anticipate this being very long. I'm going to go from the back to the front. Now I'm grabbing my scissors to cut the excess paper. I actually missed a step. I was supposed to place this fitted cover right on top of the table first and then place the paper over it, but I didn't. I'm not sure how that's gonna go because it needs to tuck underneath, so it might wrinkle the paper. I'm so mad right now. Oh, it looks like icing. It's not bad. Actually, it works. So it was supposed to be this way. You gotta steam it though. I mean, it changes my plans. I'll show you my design. So here's the design. This, I couldn't find a different paper banner. That's just what I could find. Now I'm going to use pins to secure these pearl swags. Aren't they pretty? So beautiful. These are usually used behind chairs for events, weddings, and I'm gonna use them on here. Look how pretty that's gonna look. I was gonna use my hot glue gun, but since I have fabric, I'm just gonna go ahead and pin it. Why not? The easier, the better. And I just gotta center it right about here. A tip, make sure that you untangle the beads before you put them on, okay? And this, if you don't get a center right away, it's fine because you can always move the tablecloth. So I'm actually really glad I put it on after. These come in 16 pieces and I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest. Since I already have a pin there, I'm going to use this wire that's already here to attach it. You're still gonna need to use pins, but this is so much easier to attach. For the icing, I'm going to be using pearl link balloons, and we are going to blow these. These are so fun. All right, so I'm all done. Here I have my 4.5-inch link balloons and my 3-inch link balloons. The 3 inches are gonna go on top and the 4.5 inches are gonna go in the bottom. We're gonna start with the bottom. All right, so I have no gaps. Everything looks amazing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the top, and I'm just gonna center it. So just place it on top of the table. It's not gonna go directly on top of the table, but that's where you're gonna place it right now, so you know where the middle is. I might need a couple more, but that's okay. It's better to blow under than over when it comes to balloons. Now I'm gonna use the wire that the pearls came with Oh my gosh, I'm so happy it came with that because now I don't have to use hot glue. Okay, so I'm gonna grab these and twist. Perfecto. So at the bottom, I ended up using 38 link balloons, and at the top, I used 43-inch link balloons. Perfect. Doesn't that look amazing? Ah, I'm so excited. Now I'm going to add these pre-made black bows. They were actually a garland, but I'm cutting them apart and placing them on here. I don't have to use hot glue. I'm going to use some of the string. Here I have another garland, and I'm going to take each of the bows and I'm going to place it in between the other bows, but a little lower. And I'm going to hang it with fishing line. I was going to use hot glue to secure it directly to here, but what if I don't like it? So I'm just going to use fishing line and tie it to the pearl. See how it's pulling right there? So I cut this one off and then I tied it to the top one instead and just dropped it down. That way they all look nicer. And look at that, nice. Since my daughter's cake has roses, I'm going to add these flowers. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not in love with the color. It has a bit of a yellow tone that I don't like, but they are pretty, and I'm gonna go ahead and place them on here. Okay, so I've been playing with the placement of these flowers for quite some time. They came with glue dots, so I'm gonna go ahead and use them to place them on the balloons. All right, so I spent about a good 10 minutes getting all these wrinkles out. I got about 95% of them off, and it's pretty good. There's nothing soft underneath it like a towel or fabric, so that's why it's harder when it's on a solid surface, if you didn't notice. But yeah, so all we have to do now is style a little behind me, and that's it. Oh, and on the table, obviously. All right. You can obviously just leave it as is. You don't have to put anything on the table except for the cake and whatever you're gonna cut with, paper plates or whatever. But since I gotta be extra, I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it. Here are my beaded clear chargers. I'm gonna do a seating for 4. I'm using these bold paper plates. The cake is the centerpiece. For the cake tables candles, I'm using swirl taper candles in the color black. I'm bringing in my vintage champagne flute and my vintage wine glass. And I'm just gonna use dessert spoons because you're only coming over for cake, wine, and champagne, and that's it. Alright guys, this is it. I actually used 2 cakes for the final for this video. I forgot to take horizontal video with the cake. I got carried away when we were celebrating. So the display has a different whole cake, but that's okay. You get the picture. Alright guys, make sure to like, comment, let me know your thoughts on this cake table, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Alright guys, until next time, see you in the next video.